Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to register a domain with GoDaddy. So just head over to godaddy.com and then just type the domain that you want. So for example, I'll head over and then type in here anything that I want my domain to be, and then just head over and then click on the search domains. Now, once you have searched for that, you should be able to see some search results related to this. So they will have some suggestions for you, which is this .ph. You can also use this .xyz, .me, .net, and .store. When you scroll down, you can see this right here, .com, .ai, .shop, .com, .xyz, .club, and also a lot more. So you can see that they have different prices in here as well. So in here, as you can see, this is actually on sale, which is only 1 peso for the first year with a 3-year term. So you can head over and click on this right here if you want to actually register it as your own. Now from in there, just wait for this, and then from in there, click on this continue right here in order to successfully register it as your own. So it will show you to the registration page of GoDaddy from in there. So it will load like this, and then from in there you should be able to see this as well. So just put in here your domain that you want. It can be domain protection, inclusion with the domains and everything. And then once you have continued to your cart, you can actually register it on your own name. So that's the whole process. If you have any questions, comment